Hello everyone, my name is Wally Stahl with laserfilmlab.com, and today we're doing an order for some 1-inch videotape, pretty rare, in this area, and it's from 1992. So we're going to put it in the, we're going to bake it in the oven because Ampex 196, well, it can be known, for sticky tape syndrome. So we're just going to put it in the oven. Just be on the safe side. Don't want my heads of the player to be gummed up. And it's no big deal. So we'll put it in the oven. And we're going to put it on. Let's see if we got here. There we go. 135. If I can press it right. And 18 hours is fine. Press play, and we'll be back after it's been baked to do a 1-inch videotape order. Okay, this is the Sony BVH 1100A 1-inch videotape machine deck. And let's take off the front faceplate. I've already got the 1-inch tape on. I'm going to capture it. 1-inch tape on. Let's take off the faceplate so I kind of show you how we thread this. It comes down here. The tape goes through the rollers around the heads. This is the head here, back up, over the playback and record head, over some capstan rollers, up in, and there we are. Okay, the way you do this is you turn on your TBC first. That's your TBC right down here. Let it come on. Okay, it's on. Let's turn on the BVH 1100A. Let it do its clicking and send the videotape. We don't need to have the faceplate on. I like kind of keep it faceplate off when I'm recording. Press temp. Kind of gets the old heads rolling back and forth. And then we're going to press play. There she blows. That's the test pattern, which most of them have. I don't think this one has sound on it, but we're going to find out here in just a second, after the 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Nope, it doesn't have sound. And the little monitor is kind of showing you what we're recording, what we're capturing. And there you are. We're going to come back in an hour and put another tape on. We got 2 tapes today for the City of Longview, Texas archives to do today. Okay, the tape is finished. And what we're going to do is press stop. And we're going to rewind this. And then we're going to clean the heads and the capstans and the rollers and see how what part of the tape has been transferred to those particular parts of the deck. It's getting close to the end. And there we go. So we're going to clean the heads of this videotape machine and see what's going on. Alrighty. There's the rag. I put a little bit of the compound on there, the 99% that rubbing alcohol. Let's see if I can do this in one hand. Okay. There we go. Nothing. We're going to do the main cap stands, pinch roller, other rollers. Yep, getting everything done. Playback head. The main. The other main. Tension guide. More rollers and guides. And we're going to see now how dirty that was. Look how dirty that was just on one tape. Wow. Okay, we're going to put another tape in and see how it goes. We've got another one for the City of Longview, Texas to do. Okay, we're back in front of the Sony BVH 1100A for tape number 2 of the 1-inch videotape from the City of Longview, Texas. And we are capturing right now. And let's press standby. Okay. Press standby. Looking good. And then we're going to press play. There's our color bars. Everything looks good. About 30 seconds worth of color bars. More color bars. Ah. This one's got sound, looking good. So let's let it roll and come back in about an hour. I'll be monitoring it. So if anybody has any 1-inch videotapes that wants them to be transferred, we can do them professionally. That's laserfilmlab.com, laserfilmlab.com. We'll be back after this has been transferred and get it on to the next phase. Well, this tape, 1-inch videotape, may time out. Not much left on it. May time out here in just a few seconds. This is tape number 2 of the City of Longview 1-inch videotape. And it's coming out so far so good. So far so good. There we go. It's finished. We press stop. And then let it stop. cool down, and we are done. So we'll get on to post-production. We have the 1-inch video transferred, and we have loaded it into the computer. We opened up Vegas Pro 18. We're going to build a file. This is going to be full 4K, 4096 by 2304, 29.97 NTSC. And then we're going to go down to make sure it's disabled and press apply. Okay, now we are going to go get the file. Open. And I put it in the Longview file. No. And it takes a few seconds for it to open up this big fat file. Okay, you can see where the audio is. And we're going to just make sure it's looking good.
A shot said, Hank, let's bomb her out, please, Louie.
Looks really good for videotape.
So they ran inside and got some balloons. They filled the balloons with water.
For a videotape that's 30, let me see here, 34, 35 years old, looks really good. Okay, we're just going to render it, and we'll be done. And I'll have a little bit of clip on the end of the video for you. I'm going to render it. Takes there. MP4, full 4K. Press render, and we're done. I'll have a little video at the end of this tutorial.
Some of the more unusual things that we have here is our minutes that go back to 1913, actually, this book, or 1892, as we saw on a page previously in this book, which is very interesting. Handwritten.
Minutes for what?
The